Hello, how are you doing today? We are going to be unboxing Wicked Good Perfumes. This one is a new subscription for me, and they did send me this to unbox for you guys. It is a $26 a month subscription. They also have a roller perfume subscription, which is a little bit less. That one is $13.25 a month. Now for the Scent Club box, you will receive a new perfume and 2 to 3 other scented items every single month. They are clean, consciously crafted fragrances that celebrate wild freedom, rebellious spirits, and fierce dreamers. You will discover a curated selection of new scents and for fragrance connoisseurs. You will discover a curated selection of new scents for fragrance connoisseurs. Going clean doesn't mean limiting your options. I love that they're clean. They're from the brand Organics, which is all natural, organic, eco-friendly, vegan, cruelty-free products, and they have a makeup subscription which is like $29 a month, but I'm not unboxing the makeup one. This is strictly just their perfume box, but I love that they are just a more natural, organic type based company. So let's pop on into this box. Alright, when we pop it open, we have a card right on top, and let me tell you, as soon as you open it, the scents just start wafting out, and oh my goodness, these smell amazing. I can't wait to find out what came in this box. So let's look at our little card here. It says Wicked Good Route 66. This is their July box. The theme is Route 66. And I'm not going to tell you what we got. That is going to be a surprise. Let's see. Just a little information about the box and some discount codes. Everything is packaged in this like crinkle paper. So let's dig on into this. And right on top, I am seeing our perfume. This is called Route 66, so the theme of the box is also the name of the perfume. Is it focusing? No, it does not want to focus. Okay. This retails for $29. The scents or key fragrances in this perfume are bergamot, sweet orange, key lime, fresh herbs, and golden musk. And this is really what is wafting out of this box, and it smells amazing. Let's give it a spritz in the air. It's very light at first. Oh, there it hits you. Okay. When you first spray it, there's not much to it. It's not very heavy, but oh, it smells so good. At first, it's very florally, like just smells straight up like flowers. And then after you get more of a, I want to say pungent, but not, it's not a bad pungent. It's like a heavier after note that like melds with the light florally. I don't know, kind of like musky. I don't know how to explain it. Yeah, like you first get the floral fragrances, and then you get like this heavy note, but then once it combines together, you're getting like this light sweet flowers with this like more heavy or musk. But it just reminds me of like walking outside on a summer day, and you're smelling flowers, and you're just kind of out in nature, that like earthy, florally smell that you get sometimes. So good. Alright, next in our box is our perfume roller. and this one is in the scent Get Your Kicks. This roller retails for $18, and the perfume notes in this one are lemon peel, yuzu, and ginger extract. I have no idea what yuzu is supposed to be. Now this one is much more lighter, like refreshing. Definitely the lemon peel is a very strong base note in this. And then you can kind of smell like the spiciness of the ginger, but it's not as heavy as the last perfume. Not heavy. Maybe it's just light and flowy and very kind of summery type of a smell also. Alright, digging around in here, let's take out this wad of crinkle, and I'm making a mess all over my lap and everything. Okay. Next we have a little bubble wrapped thing. Looks like soap. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, it is a little bar of soap. I like how it's marbled on the bottom with like a brownish, pinkish brown. Kind of looks like the ocean and sand. This has more of a manly scent to it. Let's read about it. The name of this soap is Old Glory, and the scents are clover, cypress, juniper berry, and summer rain. To me, it has kind of like a Old Spice manly type of scent. Old Spice, yeah. It smells similar to body washes that my husband has or has gotten. So I would say it's more of a masculine scent. And then we have one last thing in here. This is a foaming bath salts. Okay, and this is in the flavor root beer. You have, can you see it? And the lights are reflecting. You've got like a brown layer here, and then a white strip that goes all the way across, and then another brown layer there. Like I said, the scent of this is root beer float. The scents are star anise, cinnamon stick, clove bud, root beer, aged rum, and vanilla bean. Let's rip on open this bad boy and smell it. For boxes like this, I wish we had like a smell-o-vision where I could just like waft the scents to you and you could just inhale and smell with me, because these are amazing. And this smells like root beer. You know, like the crushed up root beer, not crushed up root beer candies, but like the root beer candies bottle caps, were they? I think that's what I'm thinking of. Bottle caps, or they have like the root beer kegs that are like hard candy that are shaped like root beer kegs. Oh, the barrels. Those are so good. I love root beer. It's my favorite pop to drink. Anyhow, this smells like root beer. It smells so good, and it's a foaming bath salt. So that would be fun to test out and see. I'm wondering if it's kind of like a bath bomb that just like foams and bubbles, but it's just in powder form. But sadly, when I opened it, I kind of ruined the white layer, so it all mixed together. But I mean, it'll still work the same, right? Anyhow, this one also does not have the retail value on the card. I'm assuming it's probably also a sample size. The value of these two items alone is $47, which is way over the cost of the box, and then you get 2 little extra samples. To me, that is worth it. I always look for 50% or more of a value for the box. To me, that makes it worth it. If you're getting a subscription, you want the value to be more than what you're paying for, and these are definitely worth it. The smells are amazing, and This one, it just smells so good. Thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!